Carlos, and we are working on solving inequalities, and this is a multi-step inequality. And Carlos, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through solving this. The first step we need to do is this distributive property. Okay, so we need to distribute this -2 to each term inside the parentheses. What do we get when we do that? You're going to multiply each term.
So -2 times 3?
Well, don't forget the m though, right? We're going to do -2 times m, which gives me what?
-2m.
Right, so go ahead and write it down here. Okay, and then we're also going to multiply -2, and we're going to ignore this m. We're going to do -2 times -3.
So it's +6.
Right, so you're going to put +6.
+6.
Go ahead and bring down our inequality in -4. Okay, so now we've gotten rid of the parentheses. Now we're just going to go ahead and solve. And when I say solve, that means we're trying to get the m by itself.
Alright.
So what's the first step we need to do?
To get the m by itself, we divide it by 2.
Okay, so hold on. The first thing we need to do is we always want to undo adding and subtracting. And it's kind of like the opposite of the order of operation. It's because we're working backwards. So the first step we want to do is get rid of this +6. So what's the inverse of adding?
Subtracting.
So let's go ahead and subtract. And remember, whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other.
Yeah,
So we're going to subtract 6 from there.
6.
There you
so
go.
it's negative and negative. Is it +2 or?
Well, it's -4 and -6. So they're both negative, so you're going to add them.
Yeah, so adding a negative and so you go that way when you
Right, so you
so it's -10.
Very good. So go ahead and write -10 right here. Bring down our inequality. 6 and -6 is 0. So now we're just left with -2m. Now you're going to divide, right? Very
by
good.
-2, which leaves the m by itself.
But-
But since it's negative, then we switch the sign.
Very good. Good job.
And then
Good job.
we divide it by -2, which is +5. And the answer is m is greater than or equal to +5.
Okay, so now this says all real numbers greater than or equal to 5.
Yeah.
So if we're going to graph this on a number line.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me go ahead and write you a number line here. Okay, we need to graph the solution. If +5 is right here,
Yeah.
and we know that 4 goes here and 6 goes here, how would you represent that on the graph?
I would circle around the 5 and put a color it in because it's equal to.
Right.
And since the m is greater, everything over like this side of the 5 is the answer. Could be the answer.
And the good way to check is pick a number over here. Give me a number over here on the side that you say 7. Okay. If I plug 7 in here, what's 7 subtract 3?
4.
Okay. 4 times -2
-8.
is -8 less than -4.
Yeah.
Yes, because -8 is way over here, right? So that's how you know that your graph is correct. Okay. Good job, Carlos. High five. All right.